channel. This is Milin once again, and that's my daughter behind me. And I feel like doing some video today. So today is Tuesday, and I'm about to check my what's it I'm doing this online class, and I just want to show this book that my neighbor lent me the other day. I thought they are selling this for, like bargain. So I asked them how much are those books that they are displaying on their garage at their garage, but turns out na libre basa siya. Sabi ko wala bang bayad, like for rent. Wala daw. Isusulat ko lang kung ano yung title or sino yung author. And I like this one from John Grisham. And I also read one of his books. The preview. Mga nakalipas na taon. Kasi nung high school ako ay dahil ko lang nung high school ako ay may hindi ko mabasa ng mga libro. So yung is mahilig sa mga novels, and she has this book from John Grisham titled and I think nabasa niya. Ang bagal kong mabasa before, I can read this in a day. Cover to cover. Kasi kung nabasa ng quotes, absorb ako ng mga binabasa ko. Then that I want to know what's the ending of the story. So I have to finish it up now from cover to cover. So like no pause, then I'll go back read. You know the beginning of the story. So this one. A boy, a 7-year-old boy, and the lyrics are on fire, and the settings of the story is very old settings. Wala pang hindi ko ganun pa improve. Search the firm. Nakal ko pala yung the firm. Sinong lumabas? Kasabi ko lang walang lalabas na daw. See, I'm right. The stumps who starred on this movie, the firm. Let's stop. Looking back during my high school days, I learned English by reading books because, as I said earlier, I read books from cover to cover, and some of the words in these novels are, you know, malalim. So sometimes when I don't understand certain words, then I look up for its meaning in the dictionary. I used to have this Webster dictionary way back then, but now it's all Google. So I hope that by reading books again, I will, you know, improve my English because mali-mali pa rin ang grammar ko sometimes. Mas maganda pa nga yung English ko dati. Ngayon eh, hindi ko sure. Isa sa mga magandang paraan how to learn English is by reading, through reading. So I encourage everyone or anyone, if you want to learn English, try to read a book, English books, of course. And you know, I also learn English from YouTube, from those English teacher, but sometimes it's hard to, you know, follow them, like even if I have something to do like that, and medyo napaputol, so wala na. Unlike when I'm reading, kunyari nakaila ako, kailangan matapos, i-continue ko sila, i-continue para yung story, dire-diretso. Except na lang kung inaantok na ako, like that, so gagawin ako. But kapag gusto ko magbasa, I set a time talaga na magbabasa lang ako. Unlike when you're in front of your phone or the computer, and daming distraction, like you're watching this, and then suddenly may mag-upload na another video which is not related to the previous video that you are watching. Ayun, na-distract ka na, napunta ka na sa ibang topic, napunta ka sa music, kung saan lang. Unlike when you are reading, nasa isang pace ka lang sa hindi kailangan magpunta-punta kung saan ang kaya ng internet. So, I guess mas ma-improve ulit yung English ko na medyo na nawala na sa aking sistema. But I could also say na kung gusto mong matuto ng proper pronunciation or proper intonation or accent, ay nakakatulong din yung panonood ng mga video kasi na-expose ka sa kanilang accent and you know the proper way of pronouncing words. So I will do in this video to share my thoughts on how to improve English. Siguro yung tips ko kung paano ma-improve English is isa na yung pagbabasa. Because for me, reading helps me a lot in improving my English. I mean improving bululatin. Kasi for how many years ay na-expose ako sa internet, social media, and sometimes naman yung mga articles ay mga wrong grammar at hindi lahat ng mga pages that I'm encountering. Pero pagdating sa mga ganong bagay, mapili ako. Mas pinafollow ko or sinasubscribe ko yung mga legit English speakers or teachers na hindi mga flying hard like me. So that's it for today. I'm up to learning English. So pag in-improve ako hindi ako narorong grammar kasi yun ang isa sa mga problema ko ay yung namamali ako sa grammar at saka pronunciation. So that's it for today. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.